So it's Rob from New England Wood Turning. This is my latest project. We thought we'd show it to you. Quite some years ago I acquired an old ride-on lawnmower, and there was an issue with the cutting deck. It was all damaged, so I put it down in the back shed thinking that I would do repairs to it to turn it into a ride-on mower if ever I needed a ride-on. I never did, so it's been sitting in the shed undercover for about 15 years, and we've just got our 1-year-old grandson Ricky, and I come up with the idea of doing something just so that we can take him for little tours around the 10 acres that we've got. So I come up with a bit of an idea, turned it into a little garden tractor. None of this obviously works. This is all just for show. We've got this is off a old hand plough. That's your gear change. We've got a turbocharge here with a pressure gauge. We've got a nice pressure system here that we use as a pretend speedometer. We've got a exhaust over here, just like a little tractor, and of course for safety reasons we've got a extinguisher that we put on. This is where you put the jet fuel in. It runs on jet fuel, by the way. Then we were lucky enough to acquire a cherry picker cage. Apparently a cherry picker fell over and they couldn't use it again, so it was actually given to me by a friend, and perfect for making the little trailer. Ricky's quite happy sitting on my lap if we go around together. Being 1 year old, he hangs onto the steering wheel and we go around doing some tours. But having the seat at the back here in the little trailer means that his mum and dad, or one of his uncles or his grandma, can sit in here with him on his lap and take him around the property. And we were lucky enough, a friend of mine, Phil, out at Warrialda, gave me some wheels some time ago, so it certainly looks the part. Lovely and comfortable, by the way. It's all fully adjusted. It's a car seat we took out of one of my son's smash up derby cars, so it's lovely and comfortable, nice and safe. And these are all the bits and pieces on it. Runs beautiful. It was in very good condition except for the cutting deck. The motor in it is in exceptional condition, as it's been right out of the weather. It's all in very good condition. I've fully done it up. New carburetor, new filters, new lines, all that sort of stuff, because it was quite glugged up after 15 years. But runs beautiful. Lovely little bit of gear. A lot of fun having Ricky on it. And we have sat Ricky on it. We just recently sat little Ricky on it. I moved the seat right up. He put his feet up on here, and straight away he grabbed hold of the steering wheel and started making tractor type noises. And of course, being a little boy as he is, he went straight for the key. So we thought it won't be long before he'll be able to sit on here and take his granddad for a ride down the back. So it's a nice little thing. It creates a lot of interest with customers that come. It's basically one of my pieces of sculpture, but functional, and we have a lot of fun on it. I've got another old mower down the back that I'm looking to do something similar, but that will come down the track. Of course, it's a matter of having time. But if you'd like, you can hop in the back and we'll take you for a little ride around the sculptures.